To decorate the flat that I've just recently created, I'm going to apply a photo that I've downloaded from the internet that will look like my park backdrop. I'm going to get in a location where I can see the entire backdrop. I am going to come up to the File menu at the top and go to Import. When I go to Import, it will automatically be looking for .3ds or a 3D type of file. That is not what we need to look for. We're going to drop down this box, look for all supported image types. So it will look for all the different pictures I could have saved and click that. I'm going to see a variety of them that I've saved on the desktop, which is where I put the picture for this exercise. I'm going to select the picture to use, and I'm going to make sure that right here, this is very important, that when I say use image as, I want a texture. I will click import. It will now be attached to my cursor. I am going to place it at the bottom corner here, and then I will stretch it out to approximately right about there. As you can see, the picture will automatically repeat itself. If I right click on this and go to texture and go to position, I can now have, using all these variety of tools, I can now resize, move around this image. If I choose to scale it, I actually bring the green one out slightly and can have it start to move. I can also use my move tool to move this over slightly. Now, if this was my actual project, I would probably do something like this, because the tops of the trees are near the top of the flat. I've got a good amount of backdrop and sky, a nice mixture there. As I look at it from afar, it looks pretty good. I know everybody's probably looking at the glaring issue, which is the line down the middle where the picture repeats. I could do a couple of things. Number one, I could find a picture that better repeats itself, meaning one end very closely matches the other, or I can find an additional set piece to place in this location that will cover that up. The third thing I could do is I could have made these as two separate pieces and applied the picture to each one.